Hello students, welcome to the previous year question series of aggregation. In this series, we are discussing CUET 2024 paper. This is CUET 2025 series. We have already posted the videos of CUET 2022 paper and 2023 paper. This is the 2024 series in which we are discussing the questions which came in CUET 2024. We have already posted 3 videos in this series and this is the part 4 of this series. So I'm Divyanshu Gupta, your mentor for food science and technology. We'll straight away go to the first question or the 37th question in the paper. So the process flow for the manufacturing of the caramel involves the following sequence. So you have to give the sequence in which the caramel manufacturing takes place. So emulsification, mixing, deposition and caramelization. So first of all, you will go for mixing step. Then you will go for emulsification step. Then you will go for caramelization step. And then you will go for at the end deposition step. So BADC. This is the correct sequence. So BADC first is the right answer for this question. This question was asked in CUET 2024. Then the next question is a very simple question. Carotenoids are dash soluble. So carotenoids are soluble in which of the following? Water and fat and alcohol. So straight away the answer is fat. That means carotenoids are fat soluble. Then the next question is dash is defined as an act or threat of deliberate contamination of food for human consumption with the intention of causing injury or death to civilian population and disrupting social, economic or political stability. So the answer for this question is food terrorism. So food terrorism means that when someone deliberately puts some type of poison or any type of contamination inside your food, that can cause physical or your poisoning injury to a large population, causing social and economic threats in that country. That is why it is considered under the category of food terrorism. Next question we have is we have to match the following. So we have to match the type of shortening to the percent of solids which they have. So fluid bread shortening, frying shortening, puff paste fats and confectionery fats. So fluid bread shortenings have the least amount of solids, then frying shortenings have 30, puff paste fats have 50 and confectionery fats have the highest amount of solid, that is 70. So A goes for second, which is your second part. So second part is the right answer for this question. Then the next question which we have is dash test is used for hemolysis testing of Listeria monocytogenes. So this is also one of the major microorganisms responsible for spoilage. So CAMP test is used for your hemolysis testing. So positive reaction is being given in this CAMP test. This test is used for your testing for Listeria monocytogenes. So after all going through all this question, you might be wondering that these questions are somewhat from depth from a topic and some questions are very basic. Like the carotenoids one was very basic question and like even a first year food science students will be able to answer this question. So after going through all of this, you might be wondering that some questions are very easy, some are very difficult. How to prepare for exam? So for all those students who are having confusion as to how to start their preparation journey and to which resources they should use, so for them we have designed a batch strategically so that you can complete your preparation in time and then you can go for revision also. So we have designed a batch for all the students in which we will interact with you on daily live lecture basis and then we will provide you recordings of those lectures so that you can see them again and again. If you are still having any doubt, we will provide you mentors so that you can interact with them and clarify all your doubts. Then we'll provide you your notes, test series, sectional tests, full length tests, and even your competitive rankings all over India so that you can have a clear-cut idea as to where your performance is right now. So you can contact on the number given on the screen and the website, and you'll be straightforward directed to the course. So you can join our masterclass. In that we'll be helping you in cracking the CUET exam. So coming to the next question which we have is match the following. So component process and the related enzyme. So flat globule membrane. So this straight away goes to your lipase because lipase is the enzyme that will destroy the flat globule membrane. Then antimicrobial system is by your lactoperoxidase. Then pasteurization is determined by your alkaline phosphatase test and milk sugar is known as lactase. So A goes for second. So straight away third is the right answer for this question. Then the next question which we have is change in lipid leading to an undesirable flavor and odor is known as. That is straight away your rancidity. Even a 10th class student knows this because this is a very basic question. So In your CUET exam, there is a mixture of easy, moderate, and tough questions so that everyone is given a clear chance to score marks in your exam. Then the next question which we have is Brix to acid ratio is commonly used to measure dash of fruits and fruit juices. So which property or which attribute of fruits and fruit juices is being measured by your Brix to acid ratio? So taste and tartness is measured by your Brix to acid ratio. See, acidity we can determine by other methods also. Sourness is determined by your sensory parameters, not by your any test. So taste and tartness can be very easily determined by your Brix to acid ratio, and that is why A and B third is the right answer for this question. Then next question is the dash packaging involves complete sealing against the ingress of gases and vapor. That means we will create a seal on the food package that will completely prevent any type of gases, vapors, or microorganisms to enter inside the food container. That seal is known as hermetic seal. So even you have studied that in canning chapter, that hermetic sealing is being done on your products in order to prevent the ingress of any type of vapors, any type of gases, any type of microorganisms. Then the next question which we have is filo pastry is prepared by the following sequence. So we have been given the sequence in which the filo pastry is being prepared. So the correct answer for this question is, first of all, we'll go for selection and weighing of ingredients. Then we'll go for chilling. Then we'll go for mixing, and then we'll go for baking. So first is the right answer for this question, B, C, D, and A. Then the next question which we have is we have to match the meat source to the type of meat which they provide. So cattle meat is known as beef, then the calf meat is known as veal, then the hogs are known as bacon, and the wild animals are known as game meat. So wild animals are traditionally called as the animals which are not commercially reared for meat purposes, but they are hunted by your at the traditional time they were hunted by kings, but in the recent time they are hunted by professional poachers and all in order to serve some specific type of dishes. So that is why it is known as game meat. So A goes for second, B goes for first. A is second, B is first. Third is the right answer for this question. Then dash are the antimicrobial polypeptides or proteins which are heat stable and acidic pH. So bacteriocins are the antimicrobial polypeptides which are heat stable at acidic pH. Then the next question is sauerkraut is a good source of. So what is sauerkraut? So sauerkraut is your fermented cabbage, which is a Japanese, very traditional Japanese dish, which is usually used like a type of pickle with various cuisines and all. So sauerkraut is a rich source of vitamin C. That goes all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you still have any doubt in any of the question that was explained in this video, you can comment down your queries. I can give you a better explanation of all those questions. And you can follow us on all these social media handles in order to get regular updates about the post, about the information which we post on them. They are usually associated with some job posting or any update in the food or agriculture industry. And being a food student, you should be aware about those informations because those can be asked in any of your interviews or your exams which are usually associated with current affairs. Usually the exams like CUET and your UGC NET, they have part 1 in which current affairs and then general knowledge questions are there. So those information are being posted by us on all the social media handles. And thanks for watching. Stay connected with us and we'll be soon posting the part 5. Thanks for watching.